So this video is on microtubulars. So microtubulars are amazing, and they're kind of like the highways in our system. So they allow motor proteins to transport neurotransmitters, and they move organelles and other materials across neurons. And you need proper functioning of the microtubulars to help with learning, memory, and synaptic plasticity. So they're very amazing. They're a component of the neural cytoskeleton. And if you have any kind of disruption or collapse, then you get like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS. These are the ones that are so crucial because they depend on the microtubulars for the information to the motor neurons and to the brain neurons and stuff like that. So there's a couple amazing supplements that are very specific for microtubular health. And also the microtubulars are, so you have the myelin sheath, which is on the outside of all the neurons. So the myelin sheath, you don't want that to disintegrate and fall apart, because that's the structure, that's the microtubulars, and that's the information. So Uridine is very interesting because uridine, it supports phospholipid synthesis and it aids in myelin formation. So these microtubulars and the myelin sheath, they love phospholipids. So you'll see they'll talk a lot about different phospholipids. And so that will be like lecithin, phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylserine, choline from eggs, the yolks of the eggs, that's choline, that's really great for the myelin sheath. You also want to, of course, not have abundance amount of ROS, reductive oxygen species. So that would be more like an antioxidant, C and E, alpha lipoic acid, polyphenols. Turmeric is also, of course, neuroprotective, and omega-3s, especially the DHA, are really good for the cytoskeleton dynamics. So the fatty fish, but you can also get from flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts as well. The micronutrients, magnesium. So magnesium is essential for ATP-dependent microtubular assembly. So it actually helps to assemble the microtubulars. And yeah, so this is amazing stuff. All the B vitamins, especially B12, B6, and folic acid, helps neural repair. Vitamin D, of course, and vitamin D, they have seen, helps to stabilize microtubulars. You also want to not have extreme inflammation going on. So that, the foods, spices that are good for that is, of course, berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, olive oil, ginger, turmeric, boswellia, things, a lot. A lot of antioxidants. Also, ashwagandha is great because ashwagandha not just enhances mitochondrial function and helps with neuroplasticity, but it helps with the stress management. So, chronic stress can damage the neurons and it can disrupt the microtubular dynamics because of that. CoQ10, L-carnitine. So these are very, very important. I think one of the major ones that I would highly stress if you want to just focus on one supplement is lecithin. And you can get lecithin in the 3 times to triple strength lecithin. And that means that it's just going to have more phosphatidylcholine in it than just the regular profile. So, again, anything that is going to help with the phospholipids are going to be really, really amazing for the microtubular system and enhancing and making sure the myelin sheath is doing its job. So, leave me a comment, and if you want me to go into details about something that I touched on, but you want a little more, just give me a comment below and I'll talk about that. I love the nervous system. I mean, the nervous system is where it's at. I mean, the brain couldn't function with the nervous system. The muscles don't function without the nervous system. So the nervous system is it's important. To say important, it really needs a better word than that. So, yeah. So please subscribe and just tell me why you like your nervous system, and yeah, it's just, and what you're thankful for. The nervous system lets us do everything we love to do. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.